wireless earbuds offers a cord-free experience that lets you move freely and enjoy your audio without restrictions. You can also wear them to gym, on a run, or even just a walk around your town and not worry about getting tangled up in the cord. How's it going on, everyone? Welcome back to the best place for your latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology. And before moving further, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Get ready as we are going to talk about the Tozo crystal buds. As you can see from the design itself, these are not just an ordinary earbud. The case itself has a very fashionable and technological appearance with transparent and acrylic charging case with flip design. The case has a small digital display which reflects the remaining battery power, which is very effective as most of the earbuds doesn't have this feature. First of all, let's talk about what's come inside the box. A charging case, an accessory box which includes a USB charging cable, extra ear tips, and a paperwork which has everything you need to get started with your new Tozo earbuds. When it comes to specifications, the Tozo is packed with features. It uses Bluetooth 5.3 version for a stable and fast connection and also supports headset profile, handset profile, advanced audio distribution profile, and audio video remote control profile. Apart from this, the earbuds have dual mic AI algorithm for more effective calling experience in outdoor environment. The earbuds have touch control that lets you easily control music, calls and more without having a look on your phone. Talking about the design, its ergonomic design perfectly fits the curve of your inner ear, and its lightweight makes it comfortable for long-lasting use. One of the most important aspects of any earbuds is the sound quality, and the Tozo does not disappoint. It has a 6mm loudspeaker that delivers clear, powerful audio with deep bass and bright highs. Whether you are listening to music or talking on calls, you will enjoy a high-quality audio experience. Also, you don't need to worry about using these earbuds in a heavy rain or about the sweats while you are working out, as it is protected with IPX7 rating. Now, let's talk about the battery life. The earbuds will provide you a 9 hours of usage time in a 50% volume usage. And with the case, you will get up to 40 hours of usage time. You can also charge the charging bay in just 55 minutes to full charge. And also, with the wireless charging, it will only take less than 2 hours. You also get plenty of various EQ presets to play with from the application that is available on Android and iOS. Overall, the Tozo Crystal Buds is fantastic choice for anyone that is looking out for truly wireless earbuds experience. With its sleek design, convenient touch control, and impressive sound quality as well as the battery life, you can't go wrong. So, if you are up in the market, be sure to check out the Crystal Buds from the links in the descriptions where you will get this in just $39.99. This is everything about the Tozo Crystal Buds. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and also give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.